Jay Anmol Ambani, often heralded as the savior of the Anil Dhirubhai Ambani Group (ADAG) and the man tasked with reviving his father's crumbled empire, is once again in the headlines, but this time it is not for a business deal. The Central Bureau of Investigation (CBI) has booked the 33-year-old scion in a 228 crore bank fraud case, marking a significant level escalation for the next generation Ambani. Born on December 12, 1991, Jay Anmol is the eldest son of industrialist Anil Ambani and former Bollywood actress Tina Ambani. He is the nephew of Asia's richest man Mukesh Ambani. While his cousins, Akash, Isha, and Anant have frequently dominated the social limelight, Anmol has largely maintained a lower profile, focusing on the arduous task of stabilizing his father's debt-ridden businesses. He attended the prestigious Cathedral and John Connon School in Mumbai and later the Seven Oaks School in the United Kingdom. He holds a Bachelor of Science (BSc) degree from the Warwick Business School, UK. His corporate grooming began early. At age 18, he interned with Reliance Mutual Fund, learning the ropes of financial analysis and portfolio management before formally joining the family business. The recent CBI case shatters the narrative of the quiet, diligent reformer. The agency has booked Jay Anmol Ambani along with Reliance Home Finance Limited for alleged cheating and fraud affecting the Union Bank of India. The CBI alleges that RHFL availed credit limits of over 450 crore rupees from the bank but failed to maintain financial discipline. A forensic audit by Grant Thornton for the period between 2016 and 2019 reportedly found that funds were misapportioned and diverted for purposes other than what they were sanctioned for. The account was classified as a non-performing asset (NPA) in 2019, causing a loss of 228 crore rupees to the public bank. The CBI claims Anmol, in his capacity as a promoter or director, was involved in this misappropriation and criminal breach of trust. In a separate incident, the market regulator SEBI recently imposed a fine of Rs 1 crore on him for failure to exercise due diligence in approving corporate loans at Reliance Home Finance. He has previously been questioned by the Enforcement Directorate (ED) regarding the contravention of the Foreign Exchange Management Act (FEMA) in connection with Yes Bank promoter Rana Kapoor. Jay Anmol Ambani was seen as the best hope for the Anil Ambani Group to claw its way back to solvency. However, with the CBI now formally knocking on his door, the savior faces his toughest test yet, clearing his name in a high-stakes fraud investigation that strikes at the heart of his corporate governance record.